Hey guys, Dutch Guy's Garage here. I want to do this $20,000 challenge. Ruben from Muscle City Madness started. We're gonna do our 1980 Dodge Aspen. This is one of those cases where it is most definitely a clone. It's got 1977 stripes. It's got 1976 and 77 Super Pack package, but in a 1980 body. 15 by 10 wheels, 14 by 6 in the front, big old Hemi hood scoop. Hood scoop is not fiberglass, it is actually plastic dipped. But yeah, we picked this up for a few $100, and engine bay is not much to look at, but there's a 360 of an RV in there. And if you go around the interior, it's got a center console, B&M shifter. Well, I can probably open the door actually, that would probably be nice. Gotta have the keychain. But yeah, just regular parts store gauges, 5-inch tack, B&M ratchet shifter. These are not the original seats. These are actually 1979 and 1980 Volare Duster seats. They called them Highland Plaid. So center console is original out of another F body. This is the original bench seat car, but a ratchet shifter does not fit well with a bench seat car, at least in a coupe. So yeah, louvers, flares, big old tires in the back. Like a 13.5 wide. So yeah, all in all, cheap, few $100. Threw some junkyard stuff on it, threw a RV motor at it, and it's got a 904. We actually got more into building the 904 than buying the car or buying the motor. So yeah, it's a reverse manual valve body. It's got a 24 to 2600 stall converter, low gear set, 5/0 lever. Pretty much if you want to go 0 to 60 and stoplight to stop right real fast, she'll do it.
Welcome to Hazard County.
So yeah, that's our 20K challenge. Catch you guys on the next one. Remember, they don't move until you do.